Hey everybody, Drew here with Drew's Garage. And listen, have I got a good one for you today. If you are like me and you do a lot of filming and you're in your car a lot and you're tired of mounting GoPro mounts all over the vehicle and you prefer to use your phone, stay tuned for this one here. Listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, and check it out. Hey everybody, Drew here with Drew's Garage. And today I'm going to be going over something that I think a lot of you guys are going to be interested in. If you're anything like me, I do a lot of filming, got a lot of vehicles in here, but my specialty car is the Corvette C8. This is my 70th anniversary, and we also have the Z06. And when I do a lot of my filming, it gets a little difficult when we're driving, so I've got a fix for that. So we're going to be going over this morning the best way to film while you're driving your C8 Corvette. So when I film, I normally use the GoPro mount. That way I can have it stable because it's hard to film with your phone. There's really nowhere to put your cell phone. They do have a charging system which will allow you to hold your phone right here while your phone is charging. But as far as using the phone, it can be very dangerous trying to hold your phone while you're filming because there's no area here to mount the phone at. So sometimes when we film, we use different mounts. This is our triple mount. We've got another mount for interior when you're using your GoPro. So you can see we have our bag of goodies for our GoPro. We've got mounts here. We also have an interior mount that we use. But today, we are trying out the ProClip for the new Corvette C8. You can see this clip here is designed for the iPhone, so this will fit from the 12 Pro Max all the way up to the 14 Pro Max, and of course I'm sure it will fit the new iPhone 15. So let's go ahead and see exactly how well this mounts in the car, how easy and how simple it is, and we'll try it out. So we're going to go ahead and unpackage these real quick, put them together. They've got nice instructions right inside the bag, and see exactly how easy they go in. All right, so right back here, we've got an opening. This here should fit right in, and then the clip comes right across and fits right up there on the front. Out, we've got our base for the phone, 4 quick screws. Let's go ahead and mount this in, go from there. Thing you want to do, there is a screw inside the middle of the bracket. You want to unscrew that. That is going to release this piece here. This is what we're going to install right here on the mount. Let's go ahead and put that on. All right, so there's the last part. We got that set, and then you have to adjust your clip, and that's it. Let's go ahead and test it out. So you can see the mount here is installed. Turn it sideways. That way, if we need to do any filming, we are all set. Let's try it out. So if anybody likes to film while they're driving the C8, there's nowhere to mount the car. You've got to hold your camera here. You got to film sideways. Makes it really unsafe while you're driving. So with this new mount, we just put it in right here. We can do horizontal or we can do vertical, and we'll go ahead and see how it looks. So that makes it a lot more easier to be able to do hands-free, do your recording. So we've got the clip installed. This is so handy. I don't have to worry about trying to hold the camera, trying to be still. Really nice, simple, easy mount. I'm real happy with it. Listen, definitely a product that you're gonna want. We're in the car testing it out. Drop the top. And we'll see how the clip holds up during accelerations. here's our test. Probably can't hear me well because obviously the top's down. But yeah, clip is not shaking, not moving, not vibrating. This is going to be a really good accessory for me. If you do any filming, I really suggest investing a little bit of money into the ProClip. So now if you need a phone mount for your car, they've got durable phone mounts available for all vehicles. Just go to their website. You're going to enter in the vehicle that you have and the type of phone, and it'll pull it right up for you. And listen, at checkout, use C8 Matrix for 10% off, good to the end of September. Listen, thanks for watching the video today, and until next time, enjoy the ride.